A brief common life story of the Aryatara Buddha, Dolma the Rescuer. Millions of years ago, there was a world called various radiance. At that time, there was happened a Buddha named Melodious Drum. He has one special disciple who was princess, and her name was Wisdom Moon. Wisdom Moon possessed great merits and very sincere and pure Dharma practitioner. She was also a great benefactor to Melodious Drum Buddha and his disciples. Everybody appreciated her beautiful example, and they rejoiced her pure nature and her pure deeds. On one particular day, Wisdom Moon made an extensive offering to her spiritual guide, Melodious Drum Buddha. Shortly, she attained the first bhumi and generated the supreme heart of bodhicitta in his presence. Among those who have witnessed this remarkable event, one monk advised her, "You are very fortunate. Today you have accumulated great merit and you have developed a special wish. Now, in order to fulfill your wish, you should pray for obtain male body in your next life." Wisdom Moon was a bit surprised but was not angry with him. In fact, with the perfect composure, she replied him quietly. She enjoys being a female body, and she turned to her spiritual guide and made the following promises. She said, "Until I attain enlightenment, I always take female form, and when I become Buddha, I will also appear female form." And then she engaged in her special concentration, rescuing all living beings. Then Melodious Drum Buddha made prediction. He predicted that Wisdom Moon will soon become an enlightened being, a female enlightened being named Tara, which means rescuer. He also predicted that she would be called a heroine because she would be swifter one, rescuing living beings from any kind of difficult situation. That is how she came to know as a Tara or Dolma in Tibetan. Being prayed, practice the Aryatara sadhana. You can obtain wealth if you wish wealth. You will have son if you wish son. Eliminate all your obstacles and bring prosperity, and all your wishes come true.